All right, everyone, so check it out right here. This is a brand new model, and what's amazing about this one is, so we have a multi-section house, as you can tell, but it's only 2 beds and 2 baths, and both bedrooms are really big. I think you're really gonna enjoy this one if you're looking for that multi-section house, but only need 2 bedrooms. This is a home manufactured by Clayton. We are at Pacific Manufactured Homes here in San Marcos, California, and I'm excited to be showing off this house for you today. They have a few different models here. There's 2 down there that I've also toured. I'll pop thumbnails up if they're up yet. Wow, both of those houses are incredible. One's a triple section and then one's a double section, but it's pretty big. But yeah, so the way they have it is cool. Like, you walk out from one and walk into the other. So I'm not gonna be able to get really much here. I guess I could walk out there and show you that side, but really the only thing we need to see, is we do have a door right there, as you can tell. That goes into your laundry room, I believe. So that's it. Let's go ahead and get in. I want to take you on that last tour, probably gonna hit 20 minutes plus. So let's keep this one shorter. Water faucet there. Yeah, I think y'all are gonna like this. Y'all let me know what you think along the way. Drop some comments, drop a like if you would like, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned for all future homes coming. Here we go. Ooh, I do like our door handle as well. So here at Pacific Manufactured Homes, they are the retailer. This home is manufactured, like I said, by Clayton. So what you do is, if you're over this area, you can come in, custom order off of this show model, order your dream house. They handle everything for you, getting you financed, set up, whatever needs to take place, okay? And if you're outside of this area, then you could potentially find this house at your local retailer. Stick around after the tour. I'll get into more about all that and pricing and everything, okay? I have been seeing these tops in like every house I've toured here in California. I really like them. They're not as expensive as like your quartz and your granite, but man, they look so good. And you can get them in a lot of different colors. There's an overall look at your kitchen. We'll get a little closer in depth. Let me go ahead and see. I think this is going to be our water heater. I was going to say furnace, but yeah, I don't know why you'd have your furnace right there, but that's your water heater. We got the Frigidaire appliances. This is gonna have their e-built features that I've talked about in a lot of previous tours that I've done, especially at the shows and stuff, but you got a lot of things that they offer in their e-built. It's really about energy efficiency. 40 to 50% on annual utility costs is what they're aiming to save you. They're solar ready. They have these hybrid water heaters, whole house ventilation, and then some other things as well. So let's carry on into the kitchen. All right, so you have different options with your cabinets and stuff, pools and everything, and like I already mentioned, the countertops. So here is our very big stainless steel sink. Beautiful kitchen faucet. Got our gas range, built-in microwave. This is like that gunmetal, I think is what they call it, as far as like a dark stainless steel. Check it out, we got a bath there. So you got like your nook dining area here. This thing got 2.5 baths. Maybe I should have looked the floor plan a little better, huh? So this is the back door that I was showing y'all. I mean, come on, I can't be lazy for y'all, I'm sorry. So that's right there where I was recording. So give you a good look, here's the back side of the house. Coming in close to 1,200 square foot. Yes, and we do have 2.5 baths. I said 2 bedroom, two baths. But yeah, you could have a bigger table here if you would like. Let's go ahead and check out this half bath. So you've got bar stools there, but you could also pop one or two here if you needed to. Let me go back down here. I know I'm not doing the best, but doing all I can do, y'all. Here's the laundry room. Got our washer and dryer spot. We got some cabinets with the hanging rod breaker box there. And I bet this is where that furnace is gonna be. There she is. If you actually notice, that's all in the same room where your furnace and water heater is. Just different ways to get to it. Okay, now which one's the main bedroom? Because you know we gotta save that one for last. Let's see. It don't say. So I guess we've gotta take a wild guess. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I had to stop the video and go take a look for myself. We're gonna look at this one first. Actually, they're both very big rooms. It's just the baths are a little bit different. I'm gonna say that, well, that bath's just a little bit nicer as far as the shower. I'll just put it out there. So after this one, just hang tight. If you think this one's cool, just hang tight. It's gonna get a little bit cooler. This is on that end down there, facing the house, be on the right side. Here's our walk-in closet, our first one. So yeah, but both rooms are really big. Both closets are really big. Once again, continue on with those countertops. So we only have one sink, but look at all your countertop space. I'm gonna go out on a limb, say you could probably option in a second sink if you need it, but with this house being set up the way it is, you probably wouldn't really need two sinks in here, right? So on this end, we have the shower tub combo. Now I want to go ahead and say you could probably option this in the other bath and probably option also what's in the other bath in here if you needed that as well. So this once again is just our show model that we're kind of showing off, and then you kind of come in and order exactly what you're wanting. So here's our other bedroom. See what I'm saying? I mean, both rooms are big. That's a nice walk-in closet as well. And then here is this bath. We do have two sinks in here. So I would imagine you could have the same setup in the other bath as well. Gonna have medicine cabinet again. Have a cabinet here above the commode. And then we have this shower. Wonderful. Okay, let me get into more information about this house and this place, y'all. Before we do that, though, if you haven't dropped a like, I'm gonna encourage you to do so. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video, please. Thank you. All right, everyone, so let's get into information, pricing, and all that. And yeah, I know Thursday night's video was really long, and quick plug if you haven't seen it, here's the thumbnail. Incredible house. One of the coolest, like something I've just never got to tour before. It's the video right for this one. Go check it out. But yeah, this one right here, we'll keep it short and sweet. I do want to pop the floor plan up again, as you can see right there where it says walk-in pantry optional, where that half bath is. I didn't know that at the time of recording. I found that out as I was editing the video. But yeah, like I should have did a pantry dance. I could have. But if you didn't want the half bath, you can go with the optional pantry. They were just telling me this is one of their best selling houses with the dual like master suites like that. So I think it's a cool option. It's by Clayton, built at one of their plants. Clayton has a plant there in California is where this home is built. Oh my goodness, y'all look at this guy. You want to get on? What are you wearing? He literally just busted him off with his own. He's got on his puddle jumper and a cape. Wow. Show him your muscles. Look at the camera. We got to get this thing at. Look. Ah! Good job. Okay, sorry. I said I wasn't going to keep it long, but I had to show y'all that guy. That's Graydon, by the way. That's my youngest. But yeah, it's built by Clayton. So they're the manufacturer, but you would go through your local retailer to get this house ordered. We'll have a link in the description that can help you with all of that, get more information. The show model, the retailer that we showed this home at was Pacific Manufactured Homes there in San Marcos, California. And I've done a few of their others like I did. I popped those thumbnails up. Those are going to be from a while back. I actually have had this home for a while. I just been hanging on to it. But anyways, they're the retailer. They're the ones you can go through, get this house ordered, set up, finance, everything that you need in order to get into this home. And then last thing will be pricing, and I'll be done here in this video. When it comes to pricing, this will just be what they gave me. This is for at the time of recording. Obviously, depends on all the options that you go with. With this home, there's a few things that you could option in or option out that have an impact on price, making it higher or making it lower. So just depends on all of that. Depends on exactly where the house is going. Obviously, you got to factor in everything that has to be done in order for you to set the house up and all. But this will be just a good idea for you. Good range. As I always say, I just toured these homes to show off, but I love like having some idea. You know, I'm thinking if I'm looking at a vehicle or something, I just kind of want a general idea on what it would go for, and that's what this is right here. Yeah, that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching another one of the tours. God bless you all. Y'all take care. Actually, when this video comes out, I'm going to be on a trip I'm going to be getting some more homes, and I'll tell you this, one of them for sure, maybe two of them, nobody's even seen yet. They've just been set up. So y'all stay tuned. I'll try to get them out as soon as I can. Take care. Let's close out with the verse of the day. First Chronicles 16:34 says, "Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, for his mercy endureth forever." Amen to that. All right. See y'all.